here at an undisclosed location with some beautiful cars and my janky ass e-bike that goes 50, 60 miles an hour. And we're gonna be drag racing here. Mr. Mustang, what can you tell us about the Stang, bruv?
5-liter V8, 435 horsepower, 400 pound-feet torque.
Ooh.
It's pretty stock besides some cosmetics and exhaust.
Are those slicks?
Nah, but they should be. Carbon fiber
Okay.
steering wheel, coolest part.
So drag race is versus 50, 60 mile an hour e-bike. Right now I'm running 48 volts, 2 6S lipos at 20,000 milliamps in series, 5,000 watt QS V3 hub motor, which peaks at like 14,000 watts. I could honestly get it up to like 18,000 watts for all you haters doubting me. No suspension on the bike, of course, because why would we do that? Sabaton 72 150, burst at 350 amps, that's why I can get like 18,000 watts. I do have suspension in the front, but this bike is so shaky. Like, look how small it is. Packing like 18 horsepower. Screen, phone holder, custom battery box.
Round 1.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Off the line, off the line. Oh my god, I am sweating right now.
Round 2.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? Follow my Instagram, Drake.Albritton. Dude, if I'm on 72 volts, I think I could do something more.
This is where I'm getting the best start. Yeah, if you get a better start, you got me like instantly.
Round 3.
I'm toast, bro.
Dude, if he gets a good start, I'm like toast right off the bat.
I'm always gonna be toast with that thing. Dude, I want to hear that now. It's so loud.
Racers, start your engines.
I want to try no launch control.
For the cake. It's for the cake. I'm ready.
Oh, hold on. Sorry, I got nervous.
I'm finna get blown. Pause. If you're interested in more information on the e-bike in this video, I have more videos about the e-bike itself, more in depth and in detail on the channel page, as well as an electric dirt bike that I've built and a bunch of other cool projects, so be sure to check that out. If you guys want more content like this, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.